my god, there's something like having bunko. Oh my god. I always like don't remember that I can't itch, but it itches so much. Bro. Oh my god. Det her, det ser virkelig sejt ud. We're above from the church, guys. Ja. Definitely. Oh my god, der er beanbags og sådan noget. Legeting. Guys, I was like actually singing. Det gør jeg. Oh my god, her var jeg også på tidspunkt. It was here. I went to shower. Oh my god. It's on fire.
It's fire.
The fuck? Oh my god. Nu er det lyst. Oh, it's great. Oh my god. It takes time, so we had to run. Jeg kommer i hvert fald ikke normalt herhen. Bro, det håber jeg ikke. Raining water from out of the sky. Water. It is, and it was raining so much. Oh my god. So there's my beer, and we're in the Eater Hotel. Ja, jeg elsker deres mor. Look. It's raining so much. It's raining so heavily. I can't even recognize my face because I'm so wet. Oh my god, I look so... Bro. That sounded very Aussie, but like, yeah. Everything's just rainy and I don't think we can get the goodie bags, which is what I came for.